this is what it's like outside of the living room. Just chilling. This is Kensington Crescent. Is it Kensington Crescent Road in New Kingston, Jamaica. So this is more of the updated area. You see, there's like a ton of condos and stuff around here. And that's it at night.